Hi parents, do you want to give your child the strongest start in their early primary school years but feel they need extra support? Well, in years 2 and 3, children begin to build essential foundations in maths and English that will shape their academic journey. A solid understanding of basic concepts like reading and writing and number sense is crucial at this stage. However, many young learners struggle to keep pace with classroom teaching, and as parents, it can be hard to know how to help. I'm here to bridge that gap. My name is Adnan Khan. I've developed a specialized program designed to support students in these critical early years. Our years 2 and 3 maths and English tuition focuses on nurturing your child's confidence and helping them master the basics with ease. In maths, we simplify core concepts like addition, subtraction, and basic problem solving, ensuring your child fully understands each step before moving on. Our interactive and engaging lessons are designed to make learning fun and accessible for your child. Is your child ready to build a strong foundation in maths and English? Click the button below to get started.